Written in the year 1746. By William Collins. Read for LibriVox.org. How sleep the brave, who sink to rest by all their country's wishes blest, when Spring, with dewy fingers cold, returns to deck their hallowed mould. She there shall dress a sweeter sod than Fancy's feet have ever trod. By fairy hands their knell is rung, by forms unseen their dirge is sung. Their honor comes, a pilgrim gray, to bless the turf that wraps their clay. And Freedom shall awhile repair, to dwell a weeping hermit there. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.